Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So bypassaचे आता now since there are couple of decisions which have been taken. We have appointed a committee, 16-member committee. 11 are I think from the panchayat, the entire panchayat body, and 5 Gram Sabha members. This 16-member committee is going to now start working on how to ensure that we get stills in order to ensure that a flooding does not take place. Second was to have a meeting with the WRD officials and talk to them and understand and point out their mistakes of how they have knowingly or unknowingly wrongly put in figures, and those figures were derived out of wrong information, no proper study. Figures wrong zalle te hogata, which is probably to be reconsidered again. And if this can be put down in court, I think the court will definitely agree that okay, then there is something wrong, let us bring a hold. And then we also have decided to meet the Honorable Chief Minister along with the other ministers, have a joint meeting.